Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we will learn a new word, and our today's word is quaint. Quaint is an adjective जिसका उर्दू में मतलब होता है गैर मामूली, अजीब, अनोखा. English meaning attractive because of being unusual and especially old-fashioned. Let's see the example sentence. She lives in a quaint old house. Quaint is also used to show that you do not approve of something, especially an opinion, belief, or way of behaving because it's strange or old-fashioned. For example, what a quaint idea. Quaint, you might substitute how quaint for how interesting. Quaint basically होता क्या है? गैर मामूली, अजीब, अनोखा. ख़ास तौर पे इसलिए क्योंकि वो ओल्ड फैशन है या अननेचुरल है, अनयूजुअल है. और इसे आप सब्सटीट्यूट कर सकते हो हाउ इंटरेस्टिंग के लिए. ठीक है, रादर देन सेइंग हाउ इंटरेस्टिंग यू कैन से हाउ क्वेंट. And now your task is you have to use this word in your own sentences, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.